What? Oh, come up with this. Oh.
Thank you, God, in advance for glory. I thank you, God, in advance for breakthrough. I thank you, God, in advance for healing.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa Williams Morgan and this is the Morgan's Legacy. Over here we eat, we travel, and of course we build generational wealth. Today we are actually at this place that you are gonna love. So this is Devon House, and Devon House is a prominent spot in Jamaica. The history is rich, and I wish I could give you the Devon House tour. Maybe one day I will, but today we are here for the food. It is also one of the biggest gastronomy center in Jamaica. Yes. So if you are a tourist and you're coming to Jamaica for the very first time, this is something that you should definitely add to your bucket list, right? So come to Devon House, try the ice cream because it's best in the world, and also go to the bakery and try their the wide, when I said a wide variety of stuff that they have at the bakery. There's also a crepe shop. There's so many restaurants here, but today we are here for the patty. So the debate has always been, who is better, tasties or juicy beef? But today we are here for a different type of patty. A different type of patty. The bougie patty. Yeah? Let's go. Devon House is located in Kingston, Jamaica, and it is owned originally by Jamaica's first black millionaire, Sir George Sybil. Now, the mansion is not the only site that is there to behold on this property. This property also has a lot of different shops, electric shops, and restaurants that you can buy your wares, things that are brand Jamaica, and of course you can also sit and enjoy this picturesque view. It is very scenic. It is really nice, honestly. They did recently do some construction or renovation to the site and remove a lot of the greenery, but it is still very beautiful. So the lush garden is outside of in the park area, and this area is mostly like shops and eatery. Now we are going to Devon House Bakery, and this is what inside the bakery looks like. It is cute, it's quaint, it's really beautiful, and of course they maintain the original brick oven, which was a treat for me. I was like, excuse me, you guys still have the brick oven? I love that they still maintain the brick oven. I'm not sure if it is in use, but these are some of the things that they sell in the bakery. You can go ahead and check them out, but as I said, we're here for two things and two things only: the patty, right? So they have made a mark by doing the traditional Jamaican patty differently, and that is why we are here. Now this is what outside of the bakery looks like. They set it up like a cafe where you can just sit and have your meal and talk with your friends, you know, just a cute, quaint, nice like a vibe. And yeah man, it is a really entertainment and family friendly little area right in Kingston. And if you're visiting Jamaica, I implore you, please go ahead and check out Devon House. And if you're a Jamaican living in Jamaica, go over Devon House, get some ice cream, buy some patty. Trust me, it is such a relaxing day for me. I had the opportunity to just sit and just relax, watch the birds, watch the kids at play. Who don't like that? Who don't wish for that daily, right? All right, so this is what the park area looks like. I'm just showing you guys a little overview of what the place looks like. The place exactly in front of the bakery, because Devon House is huge. Okay, so we're just doing just exactly in front of the bakery, from the entrance to where the bakery is, and then let's get our patty. So we got our meal. Yes, and we also got something to wash it down with. So this is the cran water for the persons who are not Jamaican, and of course it's a grape flavor because that is what I like. I like what I like, and that's so simple. So we got a curry goat, and right out the bat, the curry goat I give with the vibe because this is stay in the bag. Love that for us. And then we got the barbecue pork. This is the barbecue pork. This is the newest one, but might I add, the barbecue pork is the newest. Ooh. Listen, it is so hot. I don't know if you can see the steam come off of it on the camera. Maybe not. Maybe not. I need an iPhone. Okay, so curry goat patty. and no, this is the barbecue pork patty and the curry goat. I'm gonna try the pork first. Since she's new, she gets to go first. All right, so let's dig in. One more bite to make sure. It's okay. Barbecue flavor. It needs more barbecue flavor. Sorry. But the crust is nice and flaky. I love that. The crust is nice and flaky. It's not too dry. It's not bad at all. It's not bad at all. What? Oh, come up with this. Oh. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. We get an healthy bite of pork a while ago. I'm sorry, this is a 8 out of 10. It's an 8 out of 10. I wish I'd taste the barbecue flavor more. You understand? It just tastes like stew pork to me. But still really good. Still really good. Next up, the meme. Next up, goat. So let's try the curry goat and see what she's given. So hot. So hot. Listen, you have to use the patty. You have to use the patty if you can do this, you know. Listen, this is the heart. This is a science, okay? Alright. First bite of the curry goat. Let's go. Boy! Boy! God don't let me keep leave voice. The curry goat is the star of the show. The curry goat is the star of the show. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God, let me take another bite. Curry goat, she's the star of the show. So spicy. All the flavors. The scallion, the thyme, the scotch bonnet pepper. The flavor is there. It's like oh, ooh. Definitely. Oh my God. Curry goat is a 10. There's no way around it. Curry goat. Make sure to catch me straight. The curry goat is a 10. She's perfect. It's perfect. There's nothing you can do to improve the curry goat. Nothing. And I say nothing. 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 Baby, I made the right decision to stop here for lunch. God was leading me here. The flavor just exploded in your mouth. As I said, you can taste all the spices. It's authentic Jamaican curry goat. That's what make it great to me. I love that. I like when, if you're doing something and you're doing it for the culture, and you want tourists to come and enjoy it. I like when it is done for the culture, right? And it's authentic, so the persons who are coming to Jamaica to experience Jamaica, they are able to actually totally and completely experience Jamaica and in its authenticity. So that is the reason why I love the curry goat. They never try to tone down the flavor. They gave it to you nice and spicy and just the way we like it as Jamaican. It's really good. It's, see, I'm almost done. Almost. So good. So good. 10 out of 10. Would recommend. So I'm finishing this off camera and then I'll come back. So that's a wrap. It was really good. Trust me, it was a perfect self-date that I needed. Thank you so much for watching. Love and love alone. If this is your first time, ensure that you like, share, and subscribe for more amazing videos. As I said, this is the place that we eat, we travel, and we build generational wealth. The Morgan's legacy. Do not leave without you hit that subscribe button. Comment in the comment section any questions that you might have, and of course, walk good, live good, love, and I respect you guys for spending your time here with me. I'm here alone today with me. I love you guys. Okay, bye bye. You have a wonderful Thursday night, and I hope that Friday will be even better.